Why organize your downloads folder?
A cluttered downloads folder can make it hard to find important files and wastes valuable time. Automatically organizing this folder helps you work more efficiently, prevents accidental deletions, and keeps your files secure. Learning how to use scripts to sort files by type or date gives you control and peace of mind as your downloads stay tidy.
What is a script for file organization?
A script is a set of instructions your computer runs to automate tasks. For organizing downloads, scripts can move files, like images, documents, or installers, into specific folders based on their type or date. Common scripting languages for this task include Python, Bash for Linux users, and PowerShell for Windows.
Choosing the right script for your system.
Different operating systems use different scripting languages. Windows users often rely on PowerShell, which natively supports file management scripts. Mac and Linux users typically use Bash or shell scripts. Python is versatile and works on all systems, making it a popular choice for cross-platform automation.
A simple example: organizing by file type.
A basic script can sort files into folders like images, documents, and videos. For example, a Python script can scan your downloads folder. Check file extensions like .jpeg, .pdf, or .mp4, and move each file into its matching folder. This runs automatically whenever you execute the script or set it on a schedule.
Setting up automated scheduling.
To keep your downloads organized without manual effort, schedule your script to run regularly. Windows users can use Task Scheduler, while Mac and Linux users might use cron jobs. This way, your organization process happens daily or weekly, requiring no ongoing effort once it's set up.
Tips for safe and effective automation.
Always test your script on a few files before letting it run unattended. Make backup copies of important files to prevent accidental loss. Regularly update your script as your file organization needs change. With a good setup, you'll enjoy a consistently clean downloads folder and more efficient workflows.